The VisionPro M500 is ASC International's bestseller when it comes to offline 3D solder paste inspection. The M500 has sophisticated 3D Moray sensor imaging technology coupled with a user-friendly interface and updated Windows 10 operating system. Packaged in a rugged yet ergonomical benchtop platform, the M500 was designed as a showpiece for your production floor, yet engineered to provide the most advanced 3D measurement capabilities to be found within the industry for post-print solder paste inspection. The VisionPro M500 provides an exceptional value proposition for those electronic manufacturers searching for a post-print yield improvement strategy with an unmatched return on investment ratio. Feature list includes 3D photorealistic paste profiling for advanced qualitative analysis, onboard fully integrated SPC run charts, histogram charts, and custom data reports, barcoding, data tagging, defect review, corrective actions, and many more data management features allow for complete traceability. Highest resolution in the industry with a 6 micron X and Y pixel resolution and a sub-micron Z axis resolution. Best in class gauge R&R. Top of the line high resolution color CCD camera with precision telecentric optics. State of the art micro stage for ultra fine positioning and a maintenance free LED lighting source. Last but not least, the VisionPro M500 carries an industry-leading 2-year warranty. The M500 has a quad mode interface. As you can see, the upper left-hand corner is the live image, the solder features. The upper right-hand corner is the SPC charts, histograms. If you click on that, you can see all the data that's been collected for that specific product run. The lower left-hand quadrant is our 3D rendering. So photorealistic, true imaging with 100% coverage. All pixels collected. In the lower right-hand corner is our Gerber overview for programming purposes. In order to program, simply move to the ASCAN Ultra database. You can add in the information for a specific board that you're looking at programming. Add a board. Brings up the properties menu. Here's where you can add your target height values, upper and lower control parameters, data tags, etc. We will import in a Gerber stencil layer file. We'll also enter in the silk layer for your reference designations. Continue on. We'll create a short program. Once you select to begin the program, you can go in and actually highlight those specific components that you wish to program. You can enter in the reference designations, again, moving again, programming in another location. Simply add that to the list, enter in the reference designations, going down to an 01005, adding in those paste deposits on that location, and then one last addition, 0201s. Again, you're going to enter that information in. Once the program sites are entered, you'll simply exit out of the programming mode. You will select the job specific and then select the run button. It's going to automatically bring up all the templates that have been created for that specific site. and location. Operator will position that board. They'll hit run. It's going to collect the measurement information. You can see the 3D renderings that are generated from that one measurement. Going to move to a new location. Take those measurements again. It's going to provide you with the overview of the data, the 3D renderings below. It's also populating that information on the X-bar and R charts. That's the next location. Again, we're going to continually step through this process till the job is complete. Oh, 105s. The last one is the 0201 packages. Position it, hit the run button, measure. Once that run is complete, going to continue on. It's going to bring us up a pass or fail message. It allows us to do an error review. We can step through each one of the errors that have been generated by the defects that have been found, the measurements. Most of these are high, excessive. Provides you that detail. Again, as you step through the list, continue to go through and audit each one of the failed locations. You can add corrective actions if you wish at this line right here, so that data will then tag along with this specific run sequence. We can hit, once that is completed, you can hit close or done on the bottom here where the failure is. And again, you can go back in and take a look at these 3D renderings. As you can see, photorealistic paste deposition, which allows you to have that advanced qualitative analysis capabilities. Very simple, straightforward to use. 3D solder paste inspection system from ASC International, the VisionPro M500. Any questions, feel free to reach out to us at ascinternational.com. Thank you for your time.